A federal judge told the Trump administration not to deport 10 Guatemalan children in a temporary order on Sunday that also blocks the removal of hundreds of other unaccompanied minors. Why it matters. Some of the children were on planes facing deportation within hours when District Judge Sparkle Suknanen issued the temporary restraining order, allowing them to stay in the U.S. for now to challenge their removal. A Justice Department Sunday evening status report confirmed that as a result of the D.C.-based Biden-appointed judge's order, the affected children were deplaned and are in the process of being returned to the custody of the Office of Refugee Resettlement. Driving the news, the National Immigration Law Center filed a lawsuit early Sunday, seeking to block the deportation of the 10 children, ages 10 to 17, whom it said were facing deportation within hours. The law center noted the administration had identified over 600 children from Guatemala to potentially deport, as a part of a first-of-its-kind pilot program through an agreement negotiated with the Guatemalan government. It said the children the center represents face abuse, neglect, persecution, or torture if returned to Guatemala. Suknanen's order that prohibits deportations for 14 days extends to the other children identified for deportation. I have the government attempting to remove minor children from the country in the wee hours of the morning on a holiday weekend, the judge said, per reports. That's surprising. What they're saying. In the dead of night on a holiday weekend, the Trump administration ripped vulnerable, frightened children from their beds and attempted to return them to danger in Guatemala, said Efrain Olivares, from the National Immigration Law Center, in a statement Sunday. We are heartened the court prevented this injustice from occurring before hundreds of children suffered irreparable harm. The other side, White House Deputy Chief of Staff Stephen Miller said on X Sunday, the minors have all self-reported that their parents are back home in Guatemala, but a Democrat judge is refusing to let them reunify with their parents. Zoom out. The case marks the latest clash between the Trump administration and the courts on its aggressive policy targeting undocumented immigrants as it ramps up deportation proceedings. In March, President Trump demanded the impeachment of a federal judge who temporarily blocked deportation flights to El Salvador of Venezuelans accused of being gang members. In June, the Supreme Court allowed the Trump administration to resume deportations of migrants to countries that were not their place of origin.